Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we'll be unboxing some fidgets I got from a friend. His name is David. Met him through a Facebook group chat. He sent me two things, which I will be unboxing today. Pretty excited. I believe it's the 3-piece PEI slider and also an Ultimate coin. So yeah, I'm just not trying to show his address and mine. So yeah. Oh, so he's giving some tape. That's a nice one. And a lot of like packing stuff. Oh, what's this? Damn, that's nice of him. He sent me like a box cutter too. All right. So you sent me some tape, a box cutter, which now I will be using from now on. That's nice of him. He didn't say he was gonna send this, but yeah. Some tape, more tape, I guess. And then here are the fidgets. All right. Oh, another one he didn't tell me about that he was sending. First impressions. This one's great. I'm gonna try this later because he said it was the best. So yeah, I'm gonna leave that to the side. Try that later. But yeah, this one's great so far. Gonna put that there. Gonna put this tape away actually. And here is what I got from him. I actually had this before and I sold it to Melanie from EDC Fidget. So yeah, let's go ahead and check this out. Some extra metal balls. He said they put some like cool plastic balls in here. That should sound great. Oh yeah. Yeah, this thing's great. It's amazing. I see, so just the regular plastic balls. Okay, I see. Yeah, they sound different for sure. Let me see if I can do my trick. There we go. So if you guys open this up and then quickly close it, it kind of like leaves a USB type shape. And then you just click on it. Here, let me show you again. Here, let me show it again. There we go. That's pretty cool. Let me try it without the balls. Yeah, would not recommend that, but let me get some of my own balls actually. Let me put these in. That's 3. All right. Shit. Damn. It's kind of annoying. All right. That side is done. Almost dropped that on the floor. I've lost like maybe 10 of these already. These ceramic balls. Yeah, it's definitely a bit different, higher pitched. I guess some of them rattle. Actually, I don't think this is exactly the same quality as the one I got from Old Friend's store. And that was like maybe $10 more expensive than the Marcia and Linda store. So people are saying they're different. There definitely is a difference. Let me go ahead and try the metal balls now. I'm gonna put these away in here. Damn it. Hey. All right, that's one side. Yep, another different sound. I'm gonna keep these in there, but I think out of these three, these ones sound the best. But for now, I want to try out the metal balls in there. So yeah, gonna put these back in here. And put this aside. And this and this. All right, so this is amazing. This is also amazing. Let me see what's inside of this. Same thing as every coin. Let me actually pull out my coins. So these are the ones I currently have. This is $10 Amazon coin, maybe 20 I think. But yeah, I've had this for the longest time. It was like one of my first fidgets I ever got. But yeah, it's great. And then I got this next, the YEDC pick coin in Zerg. It's got a ratchet. And then also the regular sound of coin, the haptic coin. And then I got this Metal Toys Top C in zirconium. I mean blasted zirconium. And then the Spark. Let me actually bring these closer to the microphone. So yeah, these are great. I just unboxed these two in the last video. So if you guys want to go check that out, you can. I'll link them over here or somewhere, or maybe in the, or I'll link them below. And then this is also another Spark I got. This is in green and silver, also in zirconium. So yeah, this is great. All right, let's go ahead and try this out now. It's really light, lighter than everything. Oh wow. This thing's by far the best. Well, like out of these, but I still like these two. It's the snappiest for sure. Wow. That is amazing. You can also be quiet with it. But yeah, let me actually go ahead and pull out the all right, we'll start off with the top C's. $50. Same thing. Same thing. So 70, 73. 77, 79. Yeah, you guys can just tell this thing's the loudest, snappiest. Yeah, this thing's amazing, for sure. Let me put these back. But yeah, he didn't tell me that he was gonna send this or this. I'm gonna be using this from now on in my unboxings. This is from Cobalt. It's cool. But yeah, that's pretty cool. I love doing this. It's so satisfying. Oh shit. 1 second, guys. Yep. Alright, well, that'll be all for this video. Thanks again to David for sending me this stuff. I love them. But yeah, that'll be all for this video, guys. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. Turn on the bell notification. We've got some pretty cool stuff coming in soon. So yeah, see you.